Hey, what's going on, all my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes? It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do a ride along. You probably already know because you see it in the thumbnail, but I'm rocking out with this one. This is Shaghaf Oud Tonka. Um, Now, I've had this for a few minutes, but the thing is, this fragrance, I think a lot of people lean to it being a feminine fragrance, which it is kind of leaning feminine, but wear what you want to wear when you want to wear it. And I like the smell of this fragrance, so I rock out to it. So I'm gonna do a ride along just to test it out today to see how I can interact with it, see if I'm getting any weird looks, like somebody looking at me like, oh, he got his girlfriend's cologne on or something like that. But I'm gonna rock out to it. So, and this another thing, these Swiss Arabian fragrances tend to be really strong. So I'm going to see how long it lasts because I had one oil that I did not too long ago. I think it was Private Oud, and man, that was just the oil, and it lasted super long. So anyway, I'm going with my regular sprays, well, maybe a little bit less than my regular sprays because it's really strong. I probably don't need to spray it that close to my nose. Whew, goodness gracious. And then let's get, I'll just go with 2 behind the back. No, I go with 3. And then I just go a light one on my shirt. Okay, cool. All right, roll with me. Oh, before I go, the time right now, it is 9:19, and the weather is 60 degrees. Let's see if I can get this to show you. If it's not showing, there it is, 60 degrees, 61 degrees now. All right, so it's supposed to be kind of cool today. It's supposed to be like an overcast, so this might be a pretty good one for today. I wouldn't say that this is a good fragrance to be rocking in the summertime when it's 90 degrees or something like that. Maybe a little bit too cloying for that, but whether like today, long as it doesn't get past like 80 degrees, I think I'll be all right. All right, so roll with me and let's check this out. Let's go. Doing a little check in here. I is right now it is 11:26 and 66 degrees, and the fragrance is playing a little peekaboo with me. It's like it'll come in, it'll come out, go out, and then it's been really, it smells really good. I still smell it. It's just, I think I'm gonna go over here and park over here, but it's playing a little bit of a peekaboo with me. Like it feels like it's faded, almost completely gone for 1 minute, and then I'll smell it and get a good whiff of it, and then it's like, whoa, okay, this is kicking really, really strong. So I think what it is I'm just going a little nose blind to it. Pardon me while I park. I still do the old style parking. Always back in, because you never know when you're going to have to roll out quick. But so it kind of still has that same vibe. It smells the same. It hasn't really changed much. It was like a little spicy on the opening, and like a cottony kind of smell. But now the spiciness is kind of gone. That spiciness when you first spray it, that kind of itches your nose a little bit, that's gone. It's more of a smooth kind of, it smells more like cotton candy maybe, or like I was gonna say whipped cream, but not really whipped cream. It just smells real fluffy, kind of like cotton candy. So yeah, and again, like I said, the time is it is 11:29 and it's 66 degrees. So yeah, so it's still kicking out, and it's only been a little bit of time, a little bit over an hour or so. So Yeah, all right, roll with me. Still pushing. All right, so I got my workout in, and right now I'm just doing a little bit of cardio just to cool down, relax my body a little bit. Right now it is 1:16, and let's see what the weather is. The weather right now is 69 degrees, which it really doesn't make a difference because I'm inside right now. But the fragrance, it kind of faded a little bit, but once I heated up, it obviously came back to life. Got a little bit smokier, not smoky, but a little bit more prevalent. And now it's light. It smells like a cotton candy kind of vibe. So we'll see how it goes from here on. And yeah, that's it for right now. All right, folks, I am wrapping it up. Well, maybe wrapping it up. I'm back in the house and I still smell it. It's kind of like a skin scent now. It's died down quite a bit and I sweat a lot. So I'm surprised that I can even smell it a little bit. But when I'm moving around, I can still catch whiffs of it from moving from side to side. So I'm thinking it's still a little bit of a sea ox, but I've gone probably nose blind to it. But I can still smell it on my arms and my wrists. It smells it, but I smell it when I put my arm up to my nose. It's like a skin scent pretty much now, but a strong skin scent. So it is right now, it is 2:46. Let's see if that's coming in, and 72 degrees right now. Let's see if that temperature comes in. There it is. So it's been pretty good. I think I started maybe around 9 o'clock. I can't remember, but now, you know, for it to be this pretty much an all-day scent, so it worked out good. So I'm glad. I'm happy with it. I think it may be leaning a little feminine, yes, but if you're comfortable in your own skin, you're good with it. I actually got a compliment with it at the gym, actually. So let's jump into the notes and see what the notes are, because I keep smelling something that smells like a cotton candy, or like some kind of candy, some kind of like fresh type of candy, but I don't think it's any cotton candy in this in the notes. But for right now, we have the top notes it's just almond, and then in the middle notes we have orange blossom, cinnamon, and Turkish rose, and then on the base notes we have tonka bean, vanilla, and amberwood. So I'm not really sure where I'm getting that kind of like I said, like a cotton candy kind of vibe. It smells kind of like, it just smells like candy. I don't know how else to put it, but it smells good, but it smells the candy portion does smell kind of feminine and almost could smell a little juvenile. The fact that it has that spiciness, and actually I didn't see any spices in there, but the spiciness on the top of it makes it not so juvenile. It makes it smells like it's a grown-up fragrance, but it could be considered a juvenile fragrance if if you only smell the way dry down. So yeah, maybe it's the vanilla that I'm smelling right now. I don't know, but yeah. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world. Chill with me. Talking about this ride along with this Swiss Arabian. Swiss Arabian actually makes some pretty good fragrances that last pretty long. So thanks for hanging out with me. It's your boy Will with the Will Report. Till next time, deuces.